The thing with nuts is that I want you to think about them as if they were balloons hanging by a tension point and can be filled with an amount of water due to your preferences. Now I want you to think about the torso as a board onto which the balloons are attached and can be affected by gravity. With that being said, let's apply it to a real chest. We first mark the points of tension and outline the balloons overlapping the ribcage and chest. But that is just a neutral pose. It is way more advanced with a dynamic pose, which we have to deal with the forces, self-collisions and other collision forces that could be affecting our nuts in advance, but you also need to learn basic chest anatomy. Let's take this profile example where this bra is effectively pushing them upwards a bit, and you can see how the collisions affect the nuts. And you are welcome. You just learned this in a minute. If this tutorial helped, subscribe and like. I try to upload a video every week. So stick around. By the way, my name is Pain11. Go check out my art on Instagram. Link is in the description.